In this video I'm going to do two more examples of solving quadratic equations with the formula. The formula is x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a. And when I'm faced with something like this, here I've got a equals 1, b equals minus 8 and c equals plus 3. So all I have to do is just be careful of the minus signs basically. Minus b. Well, for now, for the sake of showing you how this works, I will write minus 8. I probably wouldn't do that in practice, but for the sake of showing you how it works, minus b is minus 8. Plus or minus the square root of minus 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3, that's 4ac, all over 2 times 1. Okay? So that's just sticking the numbers in the formula. And that's going to give me minus 8 is just 8, plus or minus the square root of, that's 64 minus 12, all over 2. And so I get x is 8 plus the square root of 52 over 2, and 8 minus the square root of 52 over 2. And if you stick those numbers into your calculator, I think you'll find that this is 7.606 and this one is 0.394. Okay, so that's your two values of x, where you get a 7.606 and 0.394. Those are your two solutions for x squared minus 8x plus 3 equals 0. We'll do another example very quickly. Two x squared plus 5x minus 1 equals 0. So putting the numbers in the formula, minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times 2 times minus 1. And you have to be really careful of minus signs in this formula. Okay, there's a bracket here. This is 4 times 2 times minus 1. And that's going to interact with that minus sign in a minute. And then I need 2 times 2 on the bottom this time, because a is 2. So I've got x equals minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 25. And look, 4 times 2 is 8 times minus 1 is minus 8. Minus 8 is plus 8. You really have to look out for minus signs in your formula. And I have to divide all of that by 4 this time. So I get x equals minus 5 plus the square root of 33 all over 4 and minus 5 minus the square root of 33 all over 4. And you can stick these numbers into your calculator and I think you will get 0.186 for this one and you'll get minus 3.914 for this one. There's a couple of examples of solving quadratic equations with the formula. This is a quick note to add to the end of this video in which I made this claim. It seems that I don't know how to use a calculator. This value should actually be minus 2.686. I put the numbers in my calculator wrong, which can happen sometimes. I'm sorry about that. But it doesn't affect this bit. This bit of the answer was right, and I'd used the formula correctly. I just stuck the numbers in the calculator wrong. Sorry.